Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui on va discuter comment décrire avec les adjectifs. Alors nous avons les caractères de petit Nicolas. Voici Agnan, il est blond, il est blond, il est très intelligent, il est petit, il est pénible. Voici Clotaire, il est brun, il n'est pas petit, il est grand, il est assez bête et il est sportif. Voici Eudes, il est roux, il est moyen, il n'est pas petit, il n'est pas grand, il est moyen, il est agressif et il est méchant. Voici Geoffroy, il est brun, il est très riche, il est grand, il est sympa. Voici Nicolas, il est brun, il est moyen, il est sympa, il est content. Voici Rufus, il est brun, il est assez intelligent, il est grand, il est amusant. Voici Joachim, il est brun, il est petit, il est triste. Il est triste parce qu'il a un petit frère. Voici Alceste, il est blond, il est blond, il est grand et il est content quand il mange. Voici la maîtresse, elle est blonde, elle est grande, elle est patiente, elle est sympa. On va faire une petite comparaison. Voici Agnan. Voici la maîtresse. Il est blond, elle est blonde. Il est très intelligent, elle est intelligente. Il est petit, elle n'est pas petite. Il est pénible, elle n'est pas pénible. Il est français, elle est française. Alors, les adjectifs en français. Oups, zut! Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Voilà. Sorry about that. Any words that we use to describe nouns, so describe people, places, or things, are called adjectives, and in French we call them les adjectifs. The difference with French adjectives is that they must agree. You probably noticed that we had some adjectives that were different between the teacher and some of the boys. And because the teacher is a girl, they need to use a feminine adjective. And if we're describing a guy or a masculine noun, then we would need a masculine adjective. And we also have to make the adjective plural if there's a group of people or things. Les adjectifs. If you were going to look up an adjectif en français in a dictionnaire, for example, it's usually always going to appear first in its masculine form. It's just considered the basic form. Some French adjectives don't change at all between masculine and feminine forms. They use the same word for both. Most adjectives, French adjectives, add an e to the masculine form to make the feminine form. And a few adjectives, French adjectives, make a big change from masculine to feminine. Voilà, les adjectifs. This group, which are also on the back of your notes, simply add an e. So we have amusant, amusante, blond, have no change. Our set list are the ones that have a big change. So we have gentil and gentille, gros, grosse, heureux, heureuse, vieux, vieille. That's my favorite one. Look at that. 2 E's, 2 I's, 2 L's. Vieux, vieille. Beau, belle. Mignon, mignonne. Roux, rousse. Sportif, sportive. So we'll go ahead and look at some of those. You'll want to go ahead and pause it to make sure that you get all of those different adjectives. Voilà. Amusant, amusante. Blond, blonde. Brun, brune. Content, contente. Fatigué, and there is a little error there. I think Microsoft auto-corrected this. This should have an accent aigu. So just like this one over here. So fatigué, accent aigu. Fatigué, accent aigu, add that e. fort, forte, génial, génial, grand, grande, impoli, impoli, indépendant, indépendante, intelligent, intelligente, intéressant, intéressante, joli, jolie, laide, méchant, méchante, petit, petite, poli, poli, bête, bête, drôle. I'm going to just say these ones because they are the exact same between masculin and féminin. Drôle, énergique, faible, jeune, maigre, malade, moche, optimiste, pauvre, pénible, pessimiste, riche, sincère, stupide, sympa, timide, triste, and those don't change at all. Lastly, we have our least adjective that have a big change. Voila, there we go. And I did already do that pronunciation, so I will skip that here, but go ahead and pause that and make sure that you get those added to your notes. Here are some examples. Je suis intelligente. And because I am a girl, I would add that e. Okay, making it plural. Most times you simply can add an S to the masculine form or an S to the feminine form to make it more than one. If an adjective ends in an X or an S, its plural form is the same as the singular, so there is no change. If an adjective ends in U, its plural form adds an X, not an S. Voilà, c'est fini. Merci.